Hi there everybody, it's Ashley from the Southern Plains Life Channel, and it is a beautiful day here in Oklahoma, especially for being the middle of August. It's only 89 degrees, a little overcast, hoping for a little rain. But as you know, today I'm still continuing to work on the above ground garden. I'm going to be putting the rails on top of it and doing a half overlap joint on there to hold down the corners and follow along. Here's the above ground garden I'm still working on. As you can tell, it's a 8x4. Like I said earlier in a previous video, I'm making it so I can mow and weed eat underneath it. And the boards, the bottom boards will go along this bottom here, lay across there. I'll continue to put some support beams in there. But today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the top railings here. It's just going to be a 4x6 seater. It's going to have a half lap that'll run all the way across and all the way around. That's what I plan on doing today. If I don't get rained out, like I said, it's kind of overcast today, so we'll see how far I can get. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do this railing right here. I'm going to go ahead and measure this. I'm going to cut it out the length. And about 47 1/4. All right, I'm going to go ahead and measure this out to 47 1/4. And make my little tick mark there. Use my square. And mark it there. All right, so I got this measured to 47 1/4. I'm kind of lining this up here. I'll make sure this is flush. All right. So this is my one right here. That's going to be on the end closest to the house. And so now I need to measure my other end. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to line up a piece of scrap wood with the edge over here. Mark that. That'll give me my space I need to cut out for the width of a board that would come across here. And half lap, I'll notch out a piece here, and the other board will be notched out on the top or bottom, and it'll just lay over on top of it and fit in there. And so then we need to find the center of this 2x4. You know, of course it's not 2 inches, it's a little shorter. So it'll be about 1 1/8. Right there. I'm sorry. 1 1/8 is too far. Let's see. Find the center. There we go. And again, I am not an expert carpenter. I just do things myself, just trying to learn. Okay. Mark that. Flip that over, find the center, side ball that one. And there you go. Mark that. And mark this so you guys can see that. Okay, as you can see, I've got this marked up right here on the sides, on the top, and right here. And this is the portion we're going to remove right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this out. I'm just going to cut it straight down. This type of saw, I believe, cuts on the back pull. As you can see, that was pretty quick. Went through there pretty good, pretty nice. And it went through there really, really quick, guys. And on the back side there. So next, we'll try to cut this line out right there. Okay, next we're going to start cutting this down. And there you have it. Okay, here you go. Here's the half flap. Right there. And we'll go ahead and repeat it on this side right here. All right, let's go ahead and do the second one. Go ahead and start cutting this down. And we're almost there. All right, on this one here, got a little off. I'll just clean that up with a sander. Not too bad with a handsaw though. Like I said, I'm not a professional. That's something I can work with. I'll clean it up a little bit later with a sander. So that's what I'll be doing with 3 more for the railings. Doing the same thing. The half flap. So this is what it'll look like whenever I get the other pieces on there. It'll we'll lay over another piece right here. It'll lap over, cut out the other half. So that'll help stabilize it, keep it square, especially when we start putting a lot of dirt in there and we're moving it around a little bit to carry it out where I want to put it. All right, everybody. That's the half lap joint I showed you. If you have hand tools, you can do something like that yourself. I like to try to do things, save a little bit of money since I am trying to raise a family of 5. So it just helps me try to learn new things and also do them myself. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have any comments, please comment below. Thank you.